So stop. Hi beauties, and welcome to my first video of 2018. Y'all, what the heck? When did we get to 2018? Like, I literally feel like 2016 was about a week ago. Hey, about a week ago. With us in there, we tweaking. No, but on a serious note though, I can't believe it's 2018. I'm just so blessed and thankful to have made it to 2018. I'm declaring it right now for me. I'm declaring it right now for you. 2018 is going to be our year. And I know everybody is saying that. Now, when I say 2018 is going to be a year, I just mean that in 2018, I want us to push ourselves to step outside of our comfort zone. Push ourselves to work hard. Push ourselves to project positive energy. Only allow positive energy and positive people into our lives. Let go of the things that are holding us down, holding us back. I just want 2018 to be the year that we flourish mentally, physically, emotionally, spiritually, however you need to grow. I just pray that in 2018 you continue to push and to be the best person that you can possibly be. So although 2018 might not be the best year ever yet to come, because I'm saying 2019 might be that year, 2020, shoot, maybe 2025, I don't know, but 2018 is where we're at right now, and since we're here right now, we might as well make the best of it. So again, happy new year to you guys. I always ramble. Enough of that. Enough of that. Okay, so for today's video, Pinch Me was kind enough to go ahead and send me over a sample box. I don't know if you guys are familiar with Pinch Me, but I ain't talking about the Pinch Me. Head ass gang. Head ass gang. I'm about to change your life, okay? I'm about to introduce you to something amazing after I open this. I feel like I want you guys to see me open this because, like, why not? Oh, how cute! This box is so cute! Oh, look how cute it is! I love it! Before I get into this box, there's a few things I want to mention first. So I've had this box sitting here for like a week or two, and I just keep like shaking it like, what's in here? What's in here? Now, with Pinch Me, you basically go online, you take a survey, and it kind of determines which samples would be best for you. So it like curates specific samples that would meet your needs that you would probably be interested in. They have samples ranging from like hair care, personal hygiene, baby stuff, pet stuff, snacks, which you know I'm here for. They have literally any and everything, and all of these things are from leading brands that you would find at like Target, Walmart, CVS, Walgreens. Like leading brands, like not like some bootleg stuff. Like they're sending you legit stuff that you can go and buy at the store. After you take the survey, you go in and you pick the samples that you want, and then it's gonna go ahead and send them to you for free. Yeah, you heard that right. For free, they will send you a box of samples to try. I don't know about you guys, but I love anything free. And if all I gotta do is take a survey to try a whole bunch of free things, I'm gonna do it. So basically, you take the survey, you get a whole bunch of free things sent to you, and then the only thing that they ask in return is for you to basically tell them how you like it. Did you like it? Did you not like it? And that's it. You get a box of free goodies. A cute box of free goodies. I keep shaking it and I hear noodles. I hear a cup of noodles. And I'm telling you, if there is a box of cup of noodles in here, Kenzey, you're psychic. I have a little curl right here on the side, and it legit looks like, I don't know what it looks like, but it looks weird. Don't mind that. Okay, enough rambling, enough rambling. I'm nervous, but I'm gonna open my pen. I'm so nervous. Like, the anticipation, because I've had it here for so long, but I haven't opened it, I'm just nervous now. So, stop. I'm already in love. Stop it right now. Stop it right now. Okay. Okay. Look at this, y'all. Oh, y'all. Oh my god. Okay. Stop. I can't open it. Like, my eyes are watering. Why am I so extra? I'm so extra. So look it. Oh my god. Every time I open this box, it gets me. So it comes with, I'm so excited to open this box. So there's like a whole bunch of like, maybe that's the noodles I was hearing, because honestly I don't see cup of noodles in here. I'm a little disappointed. There's no cup of noodles in here. Okay, so I'm gonna go through and what's included in my box. So the first thing that I see is some Blue Diamond Almonds mini nut thins with a hint of salt. Almond and rice cracker snacks. Ooh, wait a minute. I don't think I'm gonna be able to hold off. I think I think Pinch Me wants me to try this right now. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Why else would they give it to me if they didn't want me to try it right now, right? So I'm a little hungry. Y'all. So these are fire. Oh man, they're wheat and gluten free. So good. So good. So good. Oh my god. I like it. I'm going back to those. Stop it. There's so much in here. Stop. Oh my gosh. Okay. So the next thing that I'm gonna go ahead and reach for, my eyes are taking me here. That's where I'm gonna grab from here. So the thing about Pinch Me is that obviously because it's free, it's based on a first come first serve basis. And what they do is on every second Tuesday of each month, it's called Sample Tuesday. That's when they go ahead and restock all of their samples. So if you wait till the end of the month, the samples are going to be very limited versus if you were to go ahead and take the survey and pick your samples at the beginning of the month around Sample Tuesday time. So that is something definitely to keep in mind. But this right here is a Think Thin protein and probiotics plant-based protein powder, and it's in vanilla bean. Now y'all, I don't think you understand how excited for this I am, because if you don't know, I am in love with working out. Like if I'm not filming or editing or doing something beauty related, then I'm probably at the gym. I'm very, very excited for this, especially the fact that it's vanilla, because honey, I don't really like all the other flavors. Vanilla, you can't go wrong with those. So I am so excited for this. I'm definitely going to be trying this out probably tonight, because I'm going to go to the gym after this. So also, since we're on the topic of the gym, comment down below and let me know if you guys would be interested in like maybe going to the gym with me, or having me actually like start doing like a workout series or something like that on my channel. Let me know. Now obviously the next thing that I see is this right here. It's just big, so my eyes are going straight to it, and oh my god, this is a sample. Hold on, this is a sample. Do y'all see this? This ain't no way this is a sample. This is huge. This is a full size. What you mean? This is a hydrating argan oil mask, and it's a deep conditioning and hydration for softer, silkier, and healthier looking hair. Dang, Pinch Me, y'all know me very well. I mean, it's because there's a survey that we take. It just makes sense. Y'all, I am so sad right now. Literally in mid-sentence, my camera stopped filming, and I didn't know that it stopped filming, so I went through the entire box. So I'm pretty sure my camera stopped filming at the part where I was talking about this hair mask. Basically, what I was saying is just that I'm really picky with what I put in my hair. It smells decent, it smells clean, but just looking at the ingredients, I don't know if this is something that I would necessarily use on my hair, so I might pass this down to my mother. But I gotta look at the ingredients online and just see what they talking about, what they're doing. Especially when it comes to hair masks, I'm really, really picky, because that's something that's gonna be deeply penetrating your hair and sitting on it, and that's something that's really supposed to moisturize. So if it's filled with like alcohol and stuff like that, I don't really want to use it. But just the fact that this is considered a sample size says a lot about Pinch Me. So y'all, I'm good. Now, the next thing that is in the box is all of this, like I said, confetti stuff. So we're gonna get rid of that. We don't need that. The next two things that I see,
if you're feeling like a pimp, turn up your shoulders.
The kids protein bars. Oh, y'all know I love me anything with protein. Anything that's gonna help me get these booty gains, bring it my way. This is Berry Blast, and this is Apple Cinnamon Raisin. Ooh, I want to eat these now. They have 7 grams of protein in them, and they're all natural. So like, it literally tells you exactly what is in the ingredients, which I love when I can understand everything that's in the ingredients list. That's usually what I strive for. So definitely excited to try these. Y'all, I'm so sad that my camera stopped filming. It was so good. It was so good. Okay, this right here just kind of leads me to my next point about Pinch Me. Now, I don't know if anybody else is like this, but with me, when I go to the store, I'm usually either writing down a list. That way when I go to the store, I know exactly what I need. Or because I have OCD, I usually don't venture too far out of the normal things that I use. When I know I like something, I stick to it, and that's just what it is. Unless somebody else introduces me to something new. So with Pinch Me, I think it's really awesome that you get to try out samples because it introduces you to things that you might not typically come across in the store. This gives you the opportunity to try stuff out before fully committing and getting something and not knowing if you're gonna like it or not. And it, like I said, introduces you to new things that you might not have ever even thought about trying. So I think that is something really awesome about Pinch Me. But this right here kind of reminded me of that. This is a super white with Opti-Bright technology laundry whitening sheet, and it comes with 2 free samples inside of it. And then, last but not least, I see Shea Moisture. Now I know y'all, we're not supposed to like Shea Moisture, but like sometimes they got some things that I kind of like, okay? This right here is Sacha Inchi Oil with omega 369. There she fine. Suck it to me one more time. Okay, this is Sacha Inchi Oil Omega 369 Rescue Bubble Bath and Body Wash with quinoa and rows of Sirico extracts. You like how I said those things super confidently? It's all in the projection. If you say it like you're confident and you know what you're saying, people are going to believe that you know what you're saying, even when you might have just butchered every single word in this freaking label. But that's okay. I said it confidently. So this one right here is a body wash, and then this one right here is a body lotion. Zang! This is an actual sample size, so this makes sense. This is a legit sample size. But this one right here, this ain't no sample, y'all. This ain't no sample. This is full size. I don't care. This is full size. So Pinch Me really outdid themselves. I'm sorry if the this little portion wasn't as entertaining as it was the first time I filmed it. Yo, I was in here lit. I was in here lit the first time I was checking these things out, because you gotta understand, your first initial reaction when you see something is like truly authentic, caught on camera reaction, whereas those last few things that I just went over, I already went over them, so I kind of knew what to expect already. So I'm sorry, it's sad because it's my first unboxing video and it was so good and my camera played me. Are we still recording? Good. But that's okay, because I don't care what life throws at me in 2018. We are persevering, we are pushing through, we are pushing limits, we are going to be the best versions of ourselves that we can possibly be. And I am so thankful to have made it to another year. I know I already said that in the beginning, but I'm just so thankful, and I'm just so thankful to have you, and I just can't wait. I just can't wait to see what 2018 has in store for all of us. I am just so excited to continue to grow with you. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys want to see more unboxing videos. I have so much fun doing unboxing videos because it's such a fun thing to do. Like, just, it's exciting. It's just exciting to see what you got. So if you guys are interested in doing your own little unboxing, getting some samples for free, trying out new things, and you live in the United States, then definitely go down in my description box below. There's going to be a direct link to where you can go ahead and take a survey and get your own free samples. Today is Tuesday, the second Tuesday in the month, which means it is Sample Tuesday, baby. That means I'm about to go hop off this camera, go wash my face so I can go to the gym and come back and do my survey on Pinch Me. I'm about to put my mom on, I'm about to put my friends on. We all about to be getting free stuff, okay? If you are interested in Pinch Me, you need to go hop on over to Pinch Me right now, because hey, guess what? Come here. Today's Sample Tuesday. So that means by the time you're seeing this, it's still earlier in the month, which means you can go get your free samples. I love you guys so much. I hope 2018 is filled with nothing but blessings on blessings on blessings. Gang. We about to do huge things in 2018, man. I can't wait to continue to flourish. I hope that you flourish, and I can't wait to watch us all continue to grow as a family. I'm so excited to see what 2018 has in store for all of us. I love you so much, and I'll see you on my next video. Mwah. Don't mind the squeaking in the background. That's my dog. He thinks it's playtime, even though it's almost 10 o'clock at night. But I just got back from the gym, and I wanted to update you guys on a couple of the things that were included in the box, because we had some yays and some nays. So I tried this protein bar before I went to the gym, and honestly, it's a no-go. Like, this one nasty, okay? This one nasty. I took literally one bite and was like, no. So this is a no-go for me. This is exactly why samples are perfect, because this just goes to show, if I would have bought a whole box of these, I would have been pissed, y'all. I also tried the protein and probiotics. I used a little bit of it, And then I used half a banana, a splash of almond milk, and a couple cubes of ice. And I already drank most of it at this point, but this is so good, y'all. This is so good. It's Madagascar vanilla bean, and it is so freaking good. Like I said, I only used a little bit, like maybe like a quarter of it, so I can get a few uses out of it, and I am in love. Like, this is something that I'm definitely gonna go have to get the full size of because very, very good.
Drop top Porsche, rollie on my wrist, diamonds up and down my chain. It's like, hey.